things are not simple and easy for our people, even in the UK. For example, when they wanted to come together, the institution of electrical, institution of mechanical, institution of civil, and they have another institution called institution of helicopter engineer, they wanted to come together. There are a lot of problems by the members. And I was told the institution of electrical engineers and institution of incorporated engineers managed to marry very well. And they formed what is now called Institution of Engineering and Technology, similar to our engineering technology. That's very good. Whether they follow us or we follow them, I think more of we follow them. But it's a good move. But at the same time, I was told the marriage between civil and mechanical didn't come through. I know the reason why, I cannot reveal it to you now. But these are difficulty in engineering professional bodies because bodies like this are dependent on members. If the members do not agree with it, then it's difficult to execute any decision. And alhamdulillah, between the small MSET and the big MSET, it seems that we are in good terms, in good terms. Everything that we suggest and they suggest, we seem to agree without much discussion. But in any case, I think once we are in one organization, then we can develop the constitution or the ways we do things together. So, Yang Berhormat Datuk Fadilah Yusof, on behalf of members of the two organizations, we thank you very much for spending your time today. We have purposely reduced the number of speeches because more importantly, we would like you, sir, to speak to the press because there's a lot of effort in trying to educate the people in the country about what engineering technology is all about. Because I have to admit, I am also a member of the professional, the more established professional institution. I have to admit that the majority of our members do not understand what kind of animal and engineering technology is all about. And on top of that, they couldn't bother about what happens to the technician. It's really unfortunate. Whereas in the UK, for example, or in Europe, the technician can be more powerful and can be paid more compared to the young engineers especially. But in our country, we don't value the hands-on skills, which is really unfortunate because if we want to be successful in a production or manufacturing economy, we have to value these people and we have to really train them. And I can assure you that MySET will provide a platform for this. So, ladies and gentlemen, again, thank you very much for coming to this simple occasion. Simple though it may be, it is quite a memorable occasion to us, the merging of two entities and the launching of our joint activities together. And hopefully we can work together with the government and in particular with the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation in trying to produce engineers, engineering technologies and technicians who are professionally qualified and they can go in their separate fields because they can go into research, they can go into advanced design, these are the engineers, and the engineering technologists can go into their own stream instead of now what we have is the engineers doing the engineering technology job and engineering technology trying to qualify to become professional engineers who submit plans, which is not the way things are. Because overseas, for example, on this issue, they have decoupled the professional registration from professional achievement. So in other words, we will create a situation where everybody can become a professional, the qualified engineer or engineering technologist, but they don't need to submit plans because only a limited number of people will need to submit plans, and there should be another registration for that particular purpose, which is practiced in UK anyway. We know that. But things it's difficult to change in our country. So as if every professional engineer must go to the same professional exam that will lead to submission of plan, which is not correct. Because now there are engineers in all sorts of fields, like electronics and so on. For example, people in electronics like Prof. Iskandar, he never had to submit plans. He doesn't need to, because in his area it's different. It's more manufacturing and so forth and design. So we have to learn all this issue, and we have to sort it out and advise, if possible, advise the powers to be to see whether we can develop a better engineering profession in our country, inshallah. So with that, thank you very, very much. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Professor Abang, for the inspiring opening address. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is now my privilege to invite Yang Berhormat Datuk Haji Fadilah Haji Yusof on stage, accompanied by Yang Berbahagia Professor Dr. Wan Muhammad Abdullah, Executive Secretary of MySET, and Yang Berbahagia Professor Insinyur Megat Johari Megat Muhammad Noor, Secretary General of MySET, to witness merger MOU signing ceremony between Yang Berbahagia Professor Dr. Abdullah Habali, President of Malaysian Society for Engineering and Technology, and Yang Berbahagia Professor Dr. Abdul Hakim Juri, President of MySET, and further to launch the MySET new corporate identity logo. Please give a warm welcome to Yang Berbahagia Professor Dr. Abdullah and Yang Berbahagia Professor Dr. Abdul Hakim.
Ambil kat mana ni? Shooting ni?
Hello, my name is Red Bot now. Well, good. Yang Berhormat, Dr. Haji Fadilah Haji Yusof, Deputy Minister of Science, Technology and Innovation, for the launching of new logo for the Malaysian Society for Engineering and Technology, MySET. Presenting the new logo at MySET. Bye-bye. See you again. Terima kasih.
Thank you, Dr. Haji Fadilah, Professor Dr. Abdullah, and Professor Dr. Abdul Hakim. With that, we would like to invite Yang Berbahagia Professor Dr. Abdullah and Professor Dr. Abdul Hakim to jointly deliver a token of appreciation to Yang Berhormat Dr. Haji Fadilah Haji Yusuf. Thank you, Professor Dr. Abang, Professor Dr. Hakim, and Dr. Haji Fadilah. Ladies and gentlemen, there shall be a press conference on this memorable formation events of MySET and the Regional Symposium of Engineering Technology, RSET 2011, here later on. And we would like to invite Yang Berhormat Dr. Haji Fadilah Haji Yusuf, Yang Berbahagia Professor Dr. Abdullah Abang Ali, Yang Berbahagia Professor Dr. Abdul Hakim Juri, Professor Dr. Rusna Muhammad Yusuf, and devoted members of press to the press conference. And on behalf of the Council, I would like to urge those present who are not members of MySET yet to sign up and join MySET as founding members. We have interesting plans for MySET, and we hope that you can be part of the 21st century professional team. Forms are available at the Secretariat. I would also like to invite all MySET members and guests for our branch located outside the hall. With that, I thank you for your kind attention and participation in this MySET press conference 2011. We look forward to seeing you in the next MySET event. Thank you. Assalamualaikum and